Hey everyone, this is a quick tutorial on how to track your food in the app. Just hit that blue plus icon down here at the bottom right to open your menu. Click on meal. Take a photo of the meal you're about to eat if you'd like. Then you can use the barcode scanner to scan that food in. There it is. Hit the next. Now from there, you can add another food in. They'll ask you to take a picture, but you can skip that by hitting the back button. You can search for something, or you can pick something you've previously eaten. Hit the next button, and that adds it in. You can change the portions and save it. From there, just choose the meal you'd like to add it to and hit save. There you go. Now, when you come back to add another meal in, go through the same process. But from here, you see down here at the bottom, past meals. So you can click on that and anything that you've added in before will be there. You can pick any of those and add it in immediately without having to search for it. Just like that.